I know at this point I'm probably really annoying, but I'm like, I really want to know what the real answer is. You know what I mean? At this point, it's been negative. But then that guy's vid, the customer service representative did tell him that you can get deactivated. But there's been more times that you will not get deactivated than you will get deactivated. So let's see what it is. Hi, I have a question about the rating system. Okay, hold on. So you can help me with answering questions about the rating system, right?
Yes. If I don't know the answer, I'll go ahead and look for the answer now.
Awesome. You're so helpful. Thank you. Okay. So my question is can you get deactivated for asking for a 5-star rating?
If you can get deactivated by you asking?
Yeah, me asking the customer for a 5-star rating. That's correct.
No. To be honest with you, you're not. There's no way you can get. For example, if you ask and they, if they don't give you the 5-star rating, that's up to them, right? That's up to them. But if they're not giving you that, then if your rating is going lower because of that, due to that, yes, then you can go ahead and get deactivated. Yes.
You're saying that I can only get deactivated for low ratings?
Good question. Okay, you can get deactivated for say example, there will be many scenarios. For example, a customer call just inquiring about you doing something that you were not supposed to, and then so we have to start on our end something that we call the Dasher incident report, right?
Right.
After a couple of those right now, I believe someone will call you and ask you to see what's going on, to see if we can go ahead and work it out with you or anything like that. But if they decide if there's too many of those, then that's how you get deactivated. Another way that you can get deactivated, it's let's say for example in your ratings, right? Your ratings, they go by color. Okay, 99% it says green. It means that you're perfect. Perfect, and then once you drop to 60, it's not bad, but we can go ahead and do more, and you will start receiving messages stating that that you have a low rating. We have two types of low rating. We have the low and the very low. Okay, the low one is between 50%. Okay, so that's the percent, the low rating. It means that you're not going to be deactivated, but we'll start sending you more emails or anything, things like that for you to get better at that. Okay. Once you drop to 30%, that's pretty much how your account gets deactivated from the.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's one. That's two. I have another one. So, and then the acceptance rate. Okay, the acceptance rate, that means that out of the 99 orders, out of the orders that you accept, if you decline many of the orders like that. If you decline, if you don't accept them, if for X, Y reason you're not able to complete those, that's how you're, the right rating with Doordash. That's the acceptance rate. So the acceptance rate, it has to be over 90, okay? For you to be okay.
Okay. Awesome. Can I ask you another question? Because I know that you have to receive. Well, do you have to receive like continuous training because there's always like updates and stuff? Correct. Oh, when was the last time you had a train? Like, how recent is this information that you're giving me right now? Is it pretty accurate? Like recent? I mean.
Oh yes, this hasn't changed. This is also from the beginning. Did you go to orientation? Did you just start dashing right now?
No, I've been dashing for several months now, and I didn't ask. They didn't cover this in orientation as far as they just basically told me that if I fall below 70, because I've had different people. I mean, let's all be honest here. I've had people tell me very different things as far as what would be grounds for deactivation, right? And I mean, I'm not worried that I'm going to get deactivated because I'm doing it's pretty easy job, just go pick up the food and drop it off, be nice, smile. It's very easy. It's not difficult, right? I'm just wondering because I saw a YouTube video online, and this man was telling people not to ask for 5-star ratings or else they will get deactivated. And I was like, what? Like, how? Like, why not ask for what? How is that gonna contribute to? I can't ask for people to rate me so I can keep my job. You know what I mean? Like, because the rating matters, right? I'm sure that if my rating drops like to a significant point, I will lose my job, right? So I make it a point to tell my customers, please rate me. If you're nice, give me a 5-star. Why not? You know what I mean? My livelihood. This is my livelihood. This is how I feed my child. And I was just really concerned because this man was telling people not to ask for 5-star ratings. So I just wanted.
I would say not to do it. Well, I'm not saying not to do it, but if you feel like doing it, it's fine. But the thing is that you have to understand that not all the customers are in the same mood, all of them,
Yeah.
Not all of them, sometimes they're in a rush, and then let's say, for example, this dash was late. They had only 30 minutes lunch, and then the food was late. If you ask them to do that, of course they're not gonna do that.
Right. But it's still gonna be their choice. It's not like you're forcing them to do the rating.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct.
You're just asking. All right. Well, I appreciate all your help.
That's how it is, Franchesca. And here's what I'll go ahead and do. Okay, I'll go ahead and send you an email with the article online for you to learn more about the ratings, okay? It's really interesting stuff for you there, okay?
Awesome,
thank you. Take some time and read it. And then, okay, so I'll go ahead and do that right now for you. And please don't worry about that. I mean, if you're doing an amazing job, you shouldn't be worried about it. As long as you don't unassign yourself from the orders, as long as you, complete your dashes and all that, you should be good to go. I don't see why not.
Thank you so much for your insight. I appreciate you so much.
No, not a problem. So right now I'm going to ask you to please, you will receive a different email just to qualify my service, okay? Really appreciate if you could take a survey for me, okay?
Would you also like a 5-star rating?
Yes, but I'm sure I'm not going to lose my job because of that.
You get, okay. All right. Well, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
So that's that, guys.
Thank you for taking the time.
I'm going to go ahead and rate this guy, and I'll catch you guys later.